Most people think Afterpay approvals are random, but here's the truth no one tells you. They are not random at all. If you're getting denied, there is always a reason behind it, and once you understand it, you can actually fix it. Quick promise. In this video you'll learn exactly why Afterpay is not approving you in 2026, the real reasons behind it, and step-by-step fixes to improve your chances of getting approved. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how Afterpay decides approval. It does not just check your income. It looks at your spending behavior, repayment history, and risk profile. For example, Alex uses Afterpay regularly and pays on time, so his approval limit grows. But Jake missed a couple of payments and now keeps getting denied. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest reasons people get denied is missed or late payments on any buy now pay later service. Even if it was a small amount, the system remembers it and adjusts your trust level. Next, check your order history. If you are new to Afterpay or rarely use it, the system has very little data on you. That means higher risk from their side. So instead of big purchases, start small and build trust over time. But here's the problem most users ignore. Your linked payment method matters a lot. If your debit card is expired, has insufficient funds, or frequently declines transactions, Afterpay may block new approvals automatically. Another major factor is spending behavior. If you try to buy multiple expensive items at once, the system can flag your account as high risk. Instead, spread out purchases and keep your usage consistent. Now let's talk about a simple fix most people overlook: updating your app and clearing outdated payment info. Sometimes approval issues come from technical mismatches between your account and banking details. In a minute, here's the key insight most users miss. Afterpay increases approval chances when it sees consistent on-time payments over multiple cycles. It is not about one transaction. It is about long-term behavior. Also, make sure your billing address and personal information match exactly across your bank and Afterpay account. Even small mismatches can trigger automatic declines. So to summarize, Afterpay not approving you usually comes down to missed payments, low account activity, payment method issues, or high-risk spending behavior. None of these are permanent problems, and all can be fixed with the right steps. If you follow these fixes, your approval chances will gradually improve as the system builds trust in your account. If this helped you understand the issue, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple credit and app fix guides like this.